These cards help students to change the initial sound or manipulate the initial sound, which is one of the 9 ways of manipulation. Here are the 9 ways. So manipulation, changing the initial sound is what we are working on right now in this session. The other types of manipulation are adding a sound in the beginning, in the middle, and end, deleting a sound from the beginning, from the middle and end, and changing the beginning sound to create a new word, or changing the middle sound and changing the end sound. Phonological awareness is understanding how sounds make words, or how words can be broken down into sounds. Alliteration, rhyming, blending, segmenting, and manipulation are taught under phonological awareness. Now we are dealing with one of the types of phonological awareness in this activity. Please make sure that each student has a copy of Elkonin boxes or sound boxes to generate, and a few counters. These counters and boxes help students visualize sounds. Teacher holds these cards. Students need not see these because students are working on manipulating sounds or changing the sounds, not the letters or alphabet. Now this is how teacher holds this. Students have this card and these counters, and teacher says, say the word lap. Children repeat lap. Segment lap. Oo, ah, p, lap. Change oo to Now read the word app, map. Say the word drip. Children repeat drip. Segment drip. D, e, p, drip. And change the beginning sound d to g. Now read the word g, e, p, grip. Say the word sag. Children repeat sag. Segment sag. S, a, g. Sag. Change s to t. It's tag. Say the word paint. Children repeat paint. Segment paint. P, a, t, paint. Change p to s, saint. Say the word gram. Children repeat gram. Segment gram. G, a, gram. Change the beginning sound g to t. This is t, am, tram. Say the word tail. Children repeat tail. Segment tail. T, a, o, tail. Change t to a, o, male. Say the word slap. Children repeat slap. segment slap, s, o, a, p, slap. Change s to f, flap. Say the word mute. Children repeat mute. Segment mute. U, t, mute. Change to k. It's cute. Students can work on this activity, and there are many other cards, and these cards, these are, oops, sorry, it looks like here, these are the initial changing cards that are free, and I can share these with you if you send me an email.